I think ADA's been pumping today or whatever. I mean, I've told you guys ADA's going to pump. You're still going to get a return. And I still think it's in play to get back to its all-time high. I'm not a financial advisor. DOT is way more dead now than it was then, because at that point when I made that video, they had maybe proposed some things and maybe they were, and it's just been nothing but negative momentum ever since. This thing's never coming back, in my opinion. I think ADA's been pumping today or whatever. I mean, I've told you guys ADA's going to pump. You're still going to get a return. And I still think it's in play to get back to its all-time high and maybe double top at $3 maybe. I think, and look, it's 5X from here or whatever it is. People in ADA are going to make money. They're just not going to make as much if they were in Tau or Render or ICP or some of these other coins. Okay? Be very clear about that. As a platform, I believe Cardano is dying. Dying. I don't know how long it's going to take for the death to come. I think it's dying. Okay? It's reversed. DOT was never alive. DOT. Do you know anybody who's ever used the DOT ecosystem?
I don't believe so. I never have, so I don't know anything about it.
I know that guy Crypto's chain that went and took everybody's information and submitted it. Yeah, he took everybody's information and submitted to get all these grants from Polkadot, and some people I think even didn't want him to, and like everybody hates him now, I think, is if I remember correctly. But he was real big on the Polkadot ecosystem, and nothing on there ever. A call it nothing. Was it Clover Finance? All these parachain auctions is big. It was just a pump and dump from Gavin Wood and them guys. And now you got the two guys that came from Ethereum. You got Ethereum's going to die from a platform perspective for retail. Institution and enterprise are still going to use it, and it's still going to stay viable, and it may stay the #2 coin. I think XRP will probably pass it at some point. But, okay, it's dead to retail. Nobody is making dApps on Ethereum, okay? #2, Cardano is a dying platform, okay? Polkadot, Gavin Wood, never was DOA, dead on arrival. It pumped because it had hype. That was it, okay? So you look at these three from the Ethereum guys and you say, man, you got Joseph Lubin, he's in with the I'll call it the institution political mafia, I guess, a good way to say it. So, anyways, look, I don't hate Joseph Lubin. I'd talk to him. I've interviewed him on the channel if you come on the show. Can we see a $5 ADA from Midwest Pickler? I want to be very clear. It is possible. It is possible.
2028.
Well, no, I mean, look, I think for this bull run, I think it is possible. I don't want people to think that when I'm poo-pooing on ADA, that I'm saying that it has no chance to make it. I don't believe it has a chance to make it long-term as a platform with users, a growing platform that will compete with Solana and Sui and Ethereum. Later on, just Solana and Sui, and maybe Aptos, ICP. Then you have some other types of layer ones like Near that'll be there and stuff, and Tau and things. But the point is, okay, is that I definitely believe that ADA still can get to $5. I don't think it will. I think it's going to probably double top somewhere in the low, like 3 something, or either 250 and up. Somewhere between 250 and 350 is probably my estimate now. But we'll see. We'll see.